Good afternoon, Warriors. Today is Monday, the 12th of October, 2020. Taking a look at our homework for this evening. In math, there is no homework. Hopefully, you're able to finish your Chapter 2 test in Warrior Time today, and you were able to stop in Mrs. Cap's room before you got on the bus or you went to get picked up, and to turn your notebook paper of your work into your period's blue box. In Accelerated Math, your math puzzle is due Wednesday, and we have our Chapter 4 test coming up tomorrow on Tuesday. In Science, we've got our digital lesson, Unit 6, Lesson 5. Do not forget to complete the Google form within your Google Classroom. In Accelerated Science, you have an element presentation. That is your homework. In Social Studies, we have to do the Who Rules form. Make sure you're looking at the one-pager, and you are spending time reading that to get the answers to your questions. In Language Arts, there is no homework. In Literature, we have our character and setting analysis worksheet. This is a paper front and back copy that is due tomorrow. We also have our Steve Folks vocabulary test and book test on Thursday. Make sure that you're using the online study tools to study and prepare for the vocabulary test. In the Accelerated Literature class, your Elements of Fiction packet is due on Wednesday, and you also have your Steve Folks vocab test and book test this Thursday. Before we go for today, just wanted to wish a happy 65th birthday to Papa Sperling. That's it for today. Everyone have a fantastic Monday, and we'll see you tomorrow.